Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video ay magsasagot po tayo ng 10-item practice questions with regard to the order of operations. But before anything else, i-clarify po muna natin yung ating sinagutan kahapon na order of operation problem. At ito po yon, 75 divided by 5 plus 4 times 3. Ang link po ng video na ito ay nasa ating description below. Ang ginawa ko po kasi kahapon is inuna ko po si 4 times 3 instead of 75 divided by 5. Ganito po kasi yan. Di ba ang present na operators lang dito is multiplication, division, and addition lang. Ang rule po kasi sa PEMDAS is from left to right. And always remember that multiplication and division actually have the same priority, no? You can either perform multiplication or division from left to right. So in this case, dapat inuna ko talaga si division kaysa kay multiplication kasi nga from left to right. By the way, pag meron pang ibang operator na nakaseparate sa kanila, 'di ba ito yung division, ito yung multiplication. Meron pang isang operator na nakaseparate sa kanila, walang problema. Kahit unahin natin ito or ito, same result lang. Maliban na lang kung halimbawa 75 divided by 5 times 3. So in this case, kailangan talaga nating unahin si division kaysa kay multiplication kasi nga ang rule sa PEMDAS is from left to right. Pero in this case, kahit unahin ko si 75 divided by 5, unahin ko si 4 times 3, walang problema. Kasi nga may isa pang operator na nag-separate sa kanila. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. So sagutan muna natin para maklaro talaga. 75 divided by 5 plus 4 times 3. Unahin po natin ito. So this is 15 plus 4 times 3, that is 12. So this is 27. So now, halimbawa, unahin po natin si 4 times 3, that is 12. Same lang, walang problema. So again, okay lang basta meron pang nag-separate sa kanila na ibang operator. Pero halimbawa, dalawa na lang sila, division and multiplication na lang, you have to operate from left to right. Diyan pa lang po maa-apply yung rule na left to right, no? Again, multiplication and division can be performed simultaneously in PEMDAS rule as long as they are done in order from left to right. So I hope that's clear. So now let's proceed with our practice questions. So we have question number 1. Simplify the quantity 6 plus 4 divided by 2 times 3. Alam na po natin, yung rule na gagamitin natin is yung PEMDAS. So we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Pero yung present lang po sa problem na ito is yung parentheses, multiplication, division, and addition lang. Pero si addition ay nasa loob na siya ni parentheses. Now, ang order po natin is from left to right. So, unahin na po natin si parentheses. 6 plus 4, that is simply 10. Okay? So, copy po natin, divided by 2 times 3. Now, operate muna natin si division kaysa kay multiplication kasi nga yung rule natin is left to right. So 10 divided by 2, that is simply 5 times 3, and that is equal to 15. So the correct answer is letter B. Next, we have question number 2. Simplify 16 divided by the quantity 2 plus 2 times 3. So again, PEMDAS rule. So we have to operate first parentheses. So 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Now, copy po natin 16 divided by 4 times 3. So left to right, 16 divided by 4, that is simply equal to 4 times 3. So we have 12, and that is letter B. So we have question number 3. Simplify 5 times the quantity 3 plus 2 squared minus 4. So nandito na po yung parentheses, exponent, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, except lang kay division. Now, alin ba dapat ang unahin sa kanila? So of course, unahin po natin si parentheses at saka si exponent. Sir, nandyan po si parentheses at exponent. Alin po ba dapat ang unahin? Now, unahin natin yung exponent. Alangan naman, paano natin mai-simplify si 3 plus 2 squared kung hindi natin unahin yung 2 squared? So, of course, unahin muna natin yan. So, 3 plus 2 squared, that is 4. So, andyan na. Nasolve na po natin. Copy muna natin. 5 times, then minus 4. Now, unahin natin si parenthesis. 3 plus 4, that is simply 7. Copy ulit natin si 5, minus 4. So, 5 times 7, that is simply 35 minus 4. So, we have 31. So, letter B pa rin po tayo. Okay, so next we have question number 4. Simplify 7 plus the quantity 3 times 2 squared divided by 9. So kanina yung squared or yung exponent nasa loob ni parenthesis, ngayon nasa labas na po siya ni parenthesis. Ano po ang dapat unahin? So kanina inuna po natin yung exponent, dapat unahin na po natin ngayon si parenthesis. Kasi po, logically speaking, ito po ay raise, di ba? Power. So ano po dapat yung erase natin or ano yung erase to the power of 2 natin kung hindi po natin sinagutan yung dapat erase natin to the power of 2? So kailangan masagutan po muna natin ito. Kasi nga, ano yung erase to the power of 2 natin kung hindi natin alam to? Kung ano yung sagot niya. So we have 3 times 2, that is simply 6 raised to the power of 2. So copy po natin 7 plus and divided by 9. So now, dyan na po natin isolve si 6 squared. So we have 36. Copy natin 7 plus divided by 9. So left to right, pero mas powerful po si division kaysa kay addition. So 36 times 9, that is simply 4. 7 plus 4, that is simply 11. So letter C. Next, we have question number 5. Simplify the quantity 8 minus 3 squared divided by 5 plus 7. So again, ano po ang dapat unahin? Yung parenthesis ba or yung exponent? So logically speaking, ano yung erase natin to the power of 2 kung hindi pa natin alam yung nasa loob ni parenthesis? So unahin po natin yung 8 minus 3. And that is simply equal to 5. Then copy yung exponent squared divided by 5 plus 7. So 5 squared, that is simply 25. Then divided by 5 plus 7. 25 divided by 5, that is simply 5 plus 7. So that is 12. So letter B. Next, we have question number 6. Simplify 20 divided by 2 plus 3 times the quantity 4 minus 1. So of course, unahin po natin yung nasa parenthesis. So this is simply 3. So copy po natin yung mga preceding numbers and operators. So 20 divided by 2, that is simply 10, plus 3 times 3, that is 9. 10 plus 9, that is 19. So the correct answer is letter D. So now we have question number 7. Simplify 6 times the quantity 4 plus 3 times the quantity 2 minus 1 divided by 6. So pahirap na ng pahirap yung ating problems, pero madali lang naman po yan once masunod mo lang yung PEMDAS rule. So of course, unahin na po natin dito yung nasa loob ni parenthesis, and that is simply equal to 1. So copy po muna natin yung ibang numbers and operators para di po tayo malito. So we have times 6 and we have divided by 6. As what we can observe, nag-times po tayo ng 6, nag-divide lang din naman pala tayo ng 6. So yung sagot nasa loob na po ng brackets. Pero mas maganda, i-verify po natin using the rule. So, 4 plus 3. Unahin po natin yung nasa loob. Kasi itong brackets, this is also considered as parenthesis. So that is 7. So copy po natin times 6 divided by 6. So unahin po natin yung multiplication kaysa kay division kasi nga left to right. So 6 times 7, that is 42 divided by 6, and that is simply equal to 7. So the correct answer is letter A. Next, we have question number 8. Simplify the quantity 3 squared times 2 minus the quantity 4 divided by 2 plus 5. By the way, wag po kayong kabahan sa order of operations problems kasi po, usually sa actual na civil service examination ay less than 5 items lang po yan. Okay, so now let's solve. So kahit alin po sa dalawa ang unahin natin kasi pareho naman silang nasa loob ng parenthesis. So unahin na po natin ito. So this is 3 squared, which is 9, times 2, minus 4 divided by 2, and that is 2, plus 5. 9 times 2, that is simply 18, minus 2, plus 5. So ngayon, ang natira is subtraction and addition na lang. So left to right, unahin na po natin yung subtraction. 18 minus 2, that is simply 16, plus 5, so we have 21. So the answer is letter A. So next, we have question number 9. Simplify the quantity 10 plus the quantity 2 times the quantity 6 minus 4 squared divided by 4. So kompleto po yung ating operators. So alin ba dapat ang unahin? Parenthesis or exponent? Yes, unahin po natin yung kanyang base kasi nga ano yung erase natin to the power of 2 kung hindi pa natin ito alam. So 6 minus 4, that is 2. Okay? So copy natin yung times 2 kasi kasama po yan na erase natin to the power of 2. So copy natin plus 10 divided by 4. So now, unahin natin yung nasa loob, 4, then squared plus 10 divided by 4. So we have 4 squared, that is 16, plus 10 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4, that is simply 4. So 10 plus 4, and that is simply 14. So the correct answer is letter Daddy. And lastly, we have question number 10. Simplify the quantity 5 times 2 cubed minus the quantity 12 divided by the quantity 6 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 3. So medyo nakakalito na siya kasi marami na pong operators at brackets. Anyway, isa-isahin lang po natin. Unahin po muna natin ito kasi meron siyang exponent. At ang ibig sabihin po ni 2 cube, we have to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So this is 2 times 2 times 2. And that is simply equal to 8. So it means this is 5 times 8. Next, we have minus 12 divided by the quantity 6 minus 4. That is simply 2. Copy muna natin, divided by 2 plus 3. 5 times 8, this is 40. Minus 12 divided by 2, and that is simply 6 divided by 2 plus 3. So alin po ang dapat unahin na operator? Subtraction, division, or addition? Yes, division. So 6 divided by 2, that is simply 3. So copy muna natin. So minus 3 plus 3, that is simply equal to 0. So the correct answer is simply 40. And that is letter Daddy.